Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the KN Life. Welcome to the channel. We're just sitting here pumping some fuel in my RCF. Again, this is a cool car, guys. I don't know. This car gets a lot of hate. Reviews aren't that great on this car. I'm due for a review on this car because I've been owning this for about 6 months now, and I love this car. But the reason I'm here is I want to talk about the Midnight Purple R33 GTR that I just sold. That thing was amazing. It's got to be the best Skyline out there. I mean, it's underrated. People don't give the R33 any credit. And it's a shame because that car was so much fun to drive and own. I do regret selling it. The reason I sold it was because I was going to change it up and get a different one, a more desirable color. But things have changed a little bit. I'm actually heading to my brother's house right now, my older brother. We decided that he can have that car, so he went ahead and just purchased it through, and it should be there today. So we're gonna head over there and check it out and give you guys a sneak peek at what we just picked up. 19.5 miles per gallon on the highway. I think that's pretty good for our V8. Whoa, check it out. Look at that color, guys. Oh man, it looks even better in person. This is the first time I'm seeing this in person. I've only seen pictures of this. Oh yeah, it's got like a tricolor pearl effect going. Oh man, this is nice. Don't mind the dog that's in the back. Yeah, it's too cold to be out here, but it's worth it. Oh man, even your calipers are clean on this thing. You couldn't even read it on mine. Yeah, full walk around. Check out the interior. Man, this thing is so clean. Check this out. The seats are actually still blue. I'm kind of blown away by this because everyone that I've seen, they're either faded out, or maybe I'm the only one, but yeah, that looks really, really sharp in contrast. All right, so this is my brother right here, my older brother Raheel.
What's up, guys?
This is his R33 GTR. I mean, overall, you've been driving it for about a day now. What do you think?
I actually truly love it. I believe all the 90s cars are the best cars ever
And this one's
made.
taking the cake, though.
And this is the icing on the cake.
Yeah,
actually,
no, this is
like
for
you
sure.
can't beat this. Personally, I love the way the R33 looks. You know, the R34, R32, they're good, but my personal opinion, this is probably the best looking one.
Yeah, no, same here, man.
Definitely best looking one.
Completely underrated. This thing's awesome.
Completely underrated. The stance it has, the way it looks from all angles, it is. This is it right here.
Hey, bro, there's a Japanese bug that came in your car. It's dead.
Visiting us. He's visiting us. He wanted to visit. You want to illegally import it into the United
Yeah,
States?
you got an immigrant right
Check
here.
his visa.
What is that?
Here we go. Dude, right hand side is the way all cars should be. All of them. Like it just feels better. It feels natural.
It does, right? It's easier to drive, in my opinion. I've always said
like
that.
I see the road better. And I don't know. I just feel like I have more control over the car. We are now in 5th gear. Check it out. We're doing how many kilometers an hour?
You'll have to get used to that.
Learn that. There's a math for that. Going 3rd.
Hey, at least the RPM and speedometer, everything work.
Yeah, those actually are working. I know a lot of them, they don't work, right?
Yeah.
First time. First pull. It actually pulled pretty solid.
Running on that Japanese gas.
Yes. Gotta get rid of
Oh, it's probably what, 100 octane? I think in Japan it's higher.
Hopefully.
Hopefully our 93 octane doesn't play with it, because I've heard that
not.
before.
I'm really worried if that happens.
Might have to clean the injectors out if that does happen.
Yeah.
0.7 bars. Yeah, that thing pulls.
Yeah, it stayed right there where it's supposed to.
Yeah, it's on factory suspension. Got a lot of wheel gap on this, but I mean, once you lower it, it's gonna look awesome.
Oh, yeah.
But I kind of like the way it looks. It's all stock.
Yeah.
Right?
It's neat. You don't see them like this.
There you folks have it, the KN6 GTR. Stay tuned because we got some updates coming for this car. Thanks for watching, guys.